Right, so first off, how does the Google AI Studio interface work? We've come here and heard we can try different Gemini models, and indeed we can. One of the most interesting features is that we can change the model right here. Obviously, we start with the fast model, right? It's proven to work, but there are older models for basic tasks or to use fewer tokens. Or to spend less money. As you can see, this studio is entirely focused on APIs. The APIs are currently paid. If we click here, it explains the pricing structure. They let us test it for free up to a point, but these are the actual prices, okay? Each model has its own pricing and computational power requirements. Once we know how to select a model, we can see the token counter. This counter resets throughout the day, okay? It resets, so don't worry if you've used up a lot. Temperature basically controls creativity, right? It's shown there. This affects each response they'll give us. We have tools to configure different response settings. In advanced settings, we can edit the safety settings. Here's the interesting part for me. It says to adjust how you'd like the responses to be, right? Then it mentions harassment, currently set to show, regardless of potential to offend. And that's true, okay? Obviously, it'll leave a message explaining that this isn't, for example, a doctor, financial advisor, or such, right? But it'll try to give you the most accurate information possible. Previously, it would just say it couldn't do it, you know? We can block these parts, which is useful if we have kids, for instance. This is a feature that few people have explained. Then we have the output length section, okay? Where we can set a maximum number of tokens. That is the number of characters in its response, right? This is useful if we want short answers instead of long ones. On the left, we have the option to fine-tune a model and to start or test recent apps, like spatial understanding, where you input an image and it identifies objects like a fox, okay? And an armadillo. These are tools that are in beta phase, all right? Then we have real-time streaming with experimental Gemini 2.0, okay? Here you can stream your screen and the bot tells you what it sees. It can help with tasks, which is quite interesting for the future.